Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you would, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get notified every time that I post a video. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Today, I'm going to be covering days 2 and 3 because I tried to record a video yesterday, but I completely messed it up. I just had the camera on. I didn't even have my screen going on at the same time. So I'm going to show those results right now. So yesterday, the video that I tried to record, still no sales, and my hops were up to 244 hops. So that's where we're at right now. So if this is your first time seeing this series, what you need to do is you need to go back to video 1, the very first video. That would be day 0. I'm showing everybody how to sell ClickBank products using a system called the My Lead Gen Secrets. And with that, you'll get 100 leads per day. And I'm using 2 accounts, and if you sign up an account underneath one of your other accounts, you will get an extra 100 leads a day. So I signed up my second account under my first account, and the studies that I've watched, they've had at least 5 accounts. So if you want to create 5 accounts, you'll get better results. You will set up your second account under your first, your third account under your second account, your fourth account under your third account, and your fifth account under the fourth account, and your so on and so on. And it'll save you some money too in the long run. But how about we just go ahead and get started? So I'm going to go ahead and sign in to ClickBank, check my results. Still no sales. So I'm going to click on my account name, and I'm going to close this tab over here because I don't need it anymore. As we can see, I haven't made a sale yet. Now we're going to click on reporting so we can check to see if we're having any kind of action or anything. So our hops are 536, still $0. So I'm going to write down, I'm just keeping stats. And what did I say? 536 hops. Okay, and then we'll wait for tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to close this, save. All right, we did get 1 initial order form impressions. That means we're getting close. Usually they say around 1,000 hops. It's when you'll start. It's when people usually see their first sale, usually is when they get around 1,000 hops. So let's promote our product that we've been promoting this week. So we're going to click on Marketplace up here. Now I'm just walking you all through the steps. I've already explained in the other videos what I'm doing, so you all need to really go back and watch the first video. I explained a little bit in the second video too, but the first video is where you need to watch. Also, below this video, I forgot to mention, below this video is where you'll find the links to ClickBank and the My Lead Gen Secret, the 2 things that I'm using right now. So click on those links below, and it'll bring you to the pages that I'm using right now. We can only market in the e-business and e-marketing category. So remember that. I'm going to click back. I'm going to show y'all e-business and e-marketing right here. That's the only category that this will work for with the leads that we have. So remember, we're not going to sort them by rank. We're going to sort them by gravity. And this is the one we were promoting. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So we're going to right click on the affiliate page to open up the affiliate page so we can get our email swipes. So now that we're on the, you can just cancel that. Now that we're here, we're going to click on right here where it says email swipes. Now I'm going to log in to my emailing system. And I'm going to click on mailing system right here. Select all. The last email I sent was $280 per day posting YouTube comments. And that was right there. That was the 3rd email. So now we're on email number 4. If you're like I missed yesterday, day 2, I sent this email. It was a $280 per day posting YouTube comments. So if you all want to use this email, feel free. I'm not going to in this video because I just sent it yesterday, as you can see. I just didn't have the video to go with it. So today I'm going to send email 4. You can even send email 4. It's completely up to you. You do not have to send, like I'm going to send 7. They have 10. So I'm only doing 1 week of emails. So you can choose whatever emails you want. I'm just showing you all how to do it. So subject line, $40 per tweet. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to post it right here. And where it says name right here, I'm going to highlight first name. This little code right next to the first name. I'm going to replace that name right there in the brackets with that code. That way it will tell that person $40 per tweet for Ebe. If that was coming to me, it would have my name Ebe right there. We're going to erase all the body in this little area. And we're going to come back and copy the body from right here. And you want to copy everything down to signature. Do not copy the links below. So we're going to copy and paste the body right into there. And you can send it like this. Well, we still got to edit it, but I just like to edit. I like to shorten my emails so they're not so spread out, because on a phone it looks ridiculous. So what I like to do is my little secret, my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do that 4 times. And so now I got it in my head. Whenever I get to the word because, I'm just going to drop that down to the next line and do that with the rest of the email. And the way I do that, I like to do it in Notepad. So I just open up a little Notepad real quick. And I'll just paste that in there just like that. And then when I get to the word because, I'll hit backspace, enter. Then I'll come right here, do the same thing. Backspace, enter. Backspace, enter. Backspace, enter. And all I'm doing, I'm just cleaning up the email a little bit, just making it look more professional. And no, it don't have to be perfect, but just clean it up and make it look a little better. That does look sloppy when it goes that far out. All right, now I'm going to copy everything. Now that I got it looking the way I want to, and I'm going to replace all of this. Now where it says signature down here, that's where your name goes. And I'm going to read through it, and like where it says name, like I said earlier, come up here, first name, highlight it and copy it, and then replace where it says name right here in the body. And then anywhere where it says country, we don't have a code to fill in the person's country. So what I like to do is I just like to type in your area. Anytime it says country, just type in your area. So it sounds like we just ran across your details through our database, and because you're from your area, you match with the new remote social media job managing a company's Twitter account. All right, sounds good. You can start right away and earn $40 per tweet. Here's the spec. Now right here where it says click here to apply now, we're going to insert our affiliate link. So we need to go back to this page right here so we can get our affiliate link. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on promote. And as a tracking ID, make sure your nickname that you are using is right here, because that's how they're going to identify you, and that's how you're going to get paid. You do not need a tracking ID. I just do it so I can track where my hops are coming from. So I'm going to put MLGS since I'm using my lead gen secrets. I'm going to hit create hop link. It's going to give me my affiliate link here. This is the link that when people click on and they buy from, I will get paid. So I got that copied. Now that it's highlighted right here, I'm going to click on this link right here, or you can hit Control L. But I'm going to click on it. I'm going to paste my link right into there and hit OK. We got another bracket that says country, so I'm going to hit your area. So don't wait. Click here to apply now. You'll know where to put your links whenever you just read through the emails, but you have to read through the emails too. Just don't copy and paste something. Otherwise, you'll be copying and pasting something and it'll have those brackets in it saying name, and you won't even be calling somebody's name. So make sure you read through the emails, skim through them, insert your links, and make sure your name's in there. And then be sure to click perfect timing and then preview to make sure your links work. Okay, that one works. And that one works. I'm going to hit close and I'm going to send the email. All right, now the email's sent. Now I have to wait another 23 hours before I can email this list again. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll all the way up to the top, and then I'm going to right click on the tab that says mailing system. Then I'm going to click duplicate. Now that I've duplicated this tab, I'm going to sign out. Sign out of the one you just duplicated. So you should have one with your leads all the way to the right. You should have this page here. Now we're going to sign into our other account. You need at least 2 accounts to do this, to see success, or to see any kind of results, the good results, I should say. The more accounts, the better. So I'm going to sign into my second account. I'm going to hit mailing system. I'm going to select all. I'm going to scroll down to the subject line. Now I'm going to come back to this first tab that we just duplicated. I'm going to take the subject line from there. That way I don't have to copy the name all over again. It'll already be like that. I'm going to delete the body. Come back over to this email. Highlight everything. You can hit Control A to highlight everything. Then hit Control C to copy. And then come back over here and hit Control V to paste. I do it that way because now look, whenever I preview, that first name is there. Anywhere where it said your country is changed, where was that? So now it says your area. The links are there. I didn't have to insert the links anymore. So that's just the quickest way to do it. And then all I have to do is just sit here and just send email. I just have to send my email is what I was trying to say. And ladies and gentlemen, what day is this? Day 3. This is video 4, day 3. I think it's day 3. Yeah, it's day 3. Day 2 and 3. I showed you my day 2 results, which was $0 and 200 something hops, 244 hops, I think. And we're at 536 hops right now. So we'll come back tomorrow, see if we got any sales and how many more hops we got. So be sure to sign up with the links below. Check it out. Build up your list. Take your time to build up your list. That's the people that are seeing success with this has built up their list for about 9 to 12 months. Like literally from 9 months to a year. They have a ton of leads coming in. So you're not going to get rich quick with this, but you can make money. So best of luck to you, and we'll see you tomorrow.